Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 8. I just got to Mom's. It is still pretty early. I am doing stickers all day today. I didn't get through everything that I wanted to with shirts yesterday, and I realized we are still missing quite a few. I did have a box here when I got here this morning, so I haven't began shipping those yet. I had some that could have gone, but I wanted to do a larger batch because I'm trying to not go into the post office every single day of the week. But today is a sticker day, and I'm gonna be here for a while because tonight, Colby and I and Carly, who you guys met the other day, and her boyfriend are going to see the holiday lights up at the North Carolina Arboretum. So I've gone before, back when it was outside and you actually walked around, like walked through everything, and they did like hot chocolate and s'mores. But when COVID started a couple of years back, they changed it to a drive-through, which I really don't know how. So they take, like, you can, however many people you can fit in a car, you can drive through them and see them. I hadn't planned on going, but a friend of mine had an extra ticket for a car that he wasn't gonna use, so he gave it to us. So we're gonna do that tonight, and I will take the camera, and I'm probably just gonna try to put it on the dashboard so that we can get the whole drive-through, something new and fun for the vlog. Because I feel like I'm doing the same thing every single day, but that's my life. I mean, that's literally what happens. But we're gonna do that tonight. That will be fun. And yeah, so I'm gonna be here pretty late. Our time to go is 6 p.m. and it's out here in Asheville. I don't want to drive back to the house. Colby is leaving work early so that he can go walk the dogs and then come meet me and Carly and Artie. So I will be here until probably 5:30, which is later than I normally stay. So I should be able to get through a ton of sticker stuff today. I've got a massive stack here that needs to be cut, and then I'm gonna continue printing. I've got a paper delivery coming within a day or so, as well as a foil delivery coming in a day or so. And then the prints for the pre-order shirts that were late, I have gotten emails back from everyone now, I think, and I believe everybody wanted to wait. The seller of those reshipped them to me because of how late they were. They figured they were lost, and let me check. So the one now that was bouncing around and had ended up in Los Angeles is in Atlanta, Georgia, which is pretty close. So now I'm thinking that one might show up before the reshipment. The reshipment is supposed to arrive tomorrow, but says that it's still in Louisiana, but I guess that could still happen, maybe. They're both the post office is the problem. I don't feel like I'm having quite the problem with UPS. Yeah, my foil just updated from UPS that it went from Anaheim, California to Greensboro, North Carolina. And then I've got 2 bags of shirts, or 2 boxes of shirts, I don't know, that I'm still waiting on. One of them is now in transit, arriving late, which is concerning, but I need to place a shirt order. I normally do shirt orders on Monday, but I believe I'm gonna go ahead and place another one today because we did the Tea Tuesday, which by the time you guys are watching this will be back down, but those prints, if I have any left over, will still be in the shop at the regular price. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and place another shirt order, I cannot talk this morning, shirt order today, just so I can go ahead and have those on the way. And I think that's it. I'll try to get some footage today of sticker stuff, especially if I start packaging, which I might. These are the Black Friday sale orders, so hi, Chew. Mom will be back Thursday evening, or Thursday like midday, so she won't be working Thursday, but I will have her back on Friday to work, which is good, so we can get through the rest of these. They should all be shipping by this weekend. I know that the ones on, I believe, Friday or Saturday, we upped processing to 2 to 3 weeks. I don't think it's gonna be that. It might be a couple days past 2 weeks, but we didn't end up needing that additional processing. At least I don't think we do. I could start packaging and realize we're missing a ton, but I don't think so. So let's do socks really quickly. Day 8. Did I say Vlogmas day 7? It's day 8 if I did. Oops. The days are running together now. So let's, really quickly. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's super cute. Merry and cute. Love that. So there's day 8. Once these are all done, I'll take them home. But so yeah, that's what my day is looking like. I felt like there was something else I wanted to say, but now I don't remember. So like there was another update, but I honestly can't remember. I have not put out a calendar for December yet. I didn't want to until I got through Black Friday stuff, because if I did end up needing that additional processing time that I had listed, I didn't want to do anything for this week. As it's looking right now, we will have new releases Friday, and then I will probably go ahead and get a calendar put up. Maybe I won't. Does anybody care about a calendar? I don't, I don't know. I have got, like I said, Black Friday orders that I'm still getting through, so let's do it. Hey guys, so it is now about 5:30. I forgot the camera, so I'm having to film on my phone, but we are on our way to go see the lights. Gatorade just fell. But, oh my God. I won't be able to just set the camera up on the dash like I was wanting to get the lights. So instead, I'll just film some snippets as we're going through. Maybe I can find a way to set my phone up. We'll see. But we're currently running very late, so I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Okay, so we didn't realize, I was under the impression that they were still doing a drive-through, and apparently it's not. Apparently you can walk through now.
We're about to
Neither
freeze.
of us are dressed for this because we thought we were just gonna be in the car. So Colby, I don't think even has a jacket.
Nope.
Anyway, so yeah, I guess we're gonna get out and walk because
Hey, man.
you don't have anything?
No.
Oh boy. Okay, well. The video will be better now. I was just saying it's gonna be terrible with us driving because of the lights, like the headlights.
Darn.
Okay, well, here we go. Okay, so we are now leaving. We didn't stay as long as we probably would have if we had been dressed appropriately, but it is very cold. What's the temperature? Car says 43, and like Colby doesn't even have a coat, so we walked through, made one loop. I think I got a decent amount of footage. I think there's something on my camera. Maybe it's just dark. But so we're leaving. We are going to stop and grab some food really quickly, and then just go home. I've got some shirts to press, but that is the end of today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.